everyone, so I'm super excited for the show which is going to held in Chennai, and I should not disclose now. It will be a surprise for you all. I'm so excited. This is the first time I'll be witnessing that kind of show. Oh, I'm super excited. So let's catch up in Chennai.
So it was around like 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and I was leaving for Chennai. Super excited. I was super excited. So here I was waiting for my bus, and I waited around 45 minutes here.
So finally I sat in the bus.
I love the aesthetic. Lighting are also good. Fortunately, I was traveling and it was raining and amazing romantic climate it was.
So now we stopped at one place for coffee. So we are on the way to Chennai. So now we're gonna do breakfast, and now I'm eating my dahi vada. Yummy dahi vada. Sama yun sa yummy dahi vada.
So now we are heading for the beach, and it's a surprise for me. I don't know which beach we will go now. It's around 1 hour away from my hotel. Climate was lovely. It was amazing cloudy climate.
So we are at the Blue Flag Beach.
As you can see, my mood is little off here, and it is really offbeat, and I will never recommend anyone
Let's
to
go.
visit this beach. Mostly Muslim crowd is there, and I felt bit uncomfortable here. Not bit, but it's too much uncomfortable for me. Like there was one guy with two burqa girls, and he was staring at me, scanning my body and laughing. So it was bit weird for me. The beach is very nice, but the vibes are, I really didn't like the vibes, very bad vibes. And then again, something like people are staring. Okay, we can adjust if they are staring, but after staring, they scan your body and they laugh also. This group, if you see this group, these two men were there and three women were there, and they were, continuously for almost like 20 to 30 seconds, they were just staring and laughing, chit chatting with each other and laughing. So I felt very, they were not having any civic sense. They don't know how to behave in public. So for me, very conservative. I don't feel like, visiting again. It's very conservative. My mood was little off, but still I was trying to get the shots because it's a beach, and this is the, first time I came to Chennai, and that too on the beach. So obviously for me it's a special moment, like first time I'm visiting a Chennai beach.
So now that beach was, very offbeat and very awkward. Very uncomfortable crowd was there. So we came to another beach, and you can see. Let's explore this beach, how it is. Wow! Oh my god.
You know, I don't give up easily. So till 7 o'clock also I was shooting, and I was just trying to get the best shots, trying to get the best pictures also, but you know, it was already sunset. But still, I tried my best to get the shots. So finally, I reached that hotel and then I ordered dinner. I know it's very tempting for you all, but this paneer it was not that tasty. It was good, but not tasty.
So now I'm heading for the spectacular event which is going to held in Marina Beach, and this is the first time, I'm witnessing this kind of event. This is something very special for me. Like after 2 decades, this kind of event is being organized, and where 72 aircrafts will take part in display air show. So it will be like very exciting event for me. Coincidentally, marathon event was also there on the same day, but I missed it because I got to know very late. And but still, I was very excited for this air show. Traffic was too much, so I'm going by train now. Look at the crowd, gosh, this is my god. So scary. Very scary. I waited for 1 hour for the train, and now you can see how people are going. It was impossible for us to get in the train. So then I think it was impossible to reach the location also because of the traffic, and because of the train were also not available, and it was too crowdy. So then still we tried to reach to the location, but then we missed the show. It's okay if I miss the show, but I managed to get the clips from my friend who was there. He shot everything, and his friends were also there, so we got the best shots. And thank God I was not there, because around 15 lakh people were there, and there were no proper water was available, toilets were there was no properly it was organized, and like around 200 people hospitalized and 5 dead also. So thank God I was not there, because without water you cannot survive, and I was not having umbrella also, so I am fine with that. Anyways, the show was spectacular. Like after 20 years, this show was being held, and 72 aircrafts did participated in this show. So it was amazing. I hope you enjoyed this show. So I'll be uploading my next video of air show with the music only, so you can thoroughly enjoy. And thank you so much for watching. I'll get back to you with my next video. Till then, take care.